Welcome to Momedharam. In this video, we will see constructors of string class in Java. Constructors of string class is provides many ways to create the string objects. So in Java, we can able to create string objects using two ways. One is new operator and another one is literal. Whenever you want to create objects using new operator, there are 13 constructors are available for string class. Now we will talk about most commonly used constructors of string class in this video. First one is string s is equals to new string of. This constructor is used to create an empty string object. That means when string s is equals to new string means it will create empty string. So if you see in this example, string s is equals to new string, and when we are trying to print this s, it is giving nothing. It is not printing anything. String s is equals to new string of string original. It is a one argument constructor and it is takes the literal as the argument. So it creates a string object with the same sequence of characters as the argument. So whatever the argument we will use for this constructor, the same characters will be created as the new string. So let us see an example. String s is equals to new string of Momedharam. So this s will be created with the same sequence of characters. So when you print this s, if you are able to see Momedharam, the same characters are printed here. Next constructor is string s is equals to new string of character array. Sometimes we will have character array and we can able to create the string from the character array. So by using this constructor, allocates a new string so that it represents the sequence of characters currently concatenated in the character array argument. The content of the character are copied. That means whatever the character array having, it will be concatenated. That means in the character array it will be have 5 characters as separate characters. So when you use string s is equals to new string of that character array, it will give as a string, it will give as a single string. So let us see an example. In this example we are having character array c is equals to Momedharam, Momedharam. These are all the single characters in the character array. So when you use character array to create the string object, it is created single word. If you see here Momedharam, these characters are concatenated and it will be displayed as a single string. So the order of the characters will be same. If we change the order, the result of the string will be based on the order of the characters in the character array. The next important constructor for creating string is string s is equals to new string of byte array. Sometimes we will have byte array, and from byte array we can able to create the string object also. That means this constructor is used to create a new string by encoding the specified array of objects using the platform's default character set. That means whatever the data is available in the byte array will be converted into respected character and it will be created as a string. Let us see an example so that we can understand clearly. So if you see in this example, byte b is equals to 65, 66, 67, 68, 97, 98 is there. When you create constructor, when you create a string by using byte array as argument, and when you are printing, it is giving a b c d a b. That means 65 is the ASCII code and it will be decoded. So the 65 decode will be A. So if you see in this commented section, ASCII value is 65, 67, 68. If you see, so for the 65, A is the character, 66 ASCII value, B is the character, 67 C, and so on. And small a will be the character and its respected ASCII value is 97, B is 98. So in our example, 65 is points to the A, 66 is B, 67 is C, 68 is D. So by using this byte array, we can able to create a new string, and that string will be decoded to the specified array of bytes using the platform default character set. So we can able to create the strings from the byte array also. Next constructor is string s is equals to new string of StringBuffer object. So if we have StringBuffer object, and when we want to create a string equivalent to string, then we will use this constructor string s is equals to new string of StringBuffer object. So it creates a string that contains the sequence of characters currently contained in the StringBuffer argument. So let us see an example. In this example, we are having StringBuffer SB is equals to new StringBuffer of, here it is having content is I am Momedaram, working as a software developer. So this StringBuffer argument we are using, and we are creating the string s is equals to new string of that StringBuffer object, and when we print that string, it is giving I am Momedaram, working as a software developer. So whatever the content is available in the StringBuffer, we can able to create. So this constructor is easy to create the equivalent string for the respected StringBuffer. And the next important constructor is string s is equals to new string of StringBuilder. So this constructor is easy to create a string by using StringBuilder object. So if you see, it creates a new string that contains the sequence of characters currently contained in the StringBuilder argument. So let us see an example. In this example, StringBuilder SB is equals to new StringBuilder of I am Momedaram. So this some content is there in the StringBuilder, and when we are trying and we are creating a string object based on that StringBuilder, and the same content, based on the same content, we are able to create the string object. So if you want to create a string equivalent to the StringBuilder object, that time we will use this constructor. There are some other constructors are also available, but these 6 constructors are frequently and most used constructors to create the string objects in Java. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.